member we have. So it's about 9 o'clock right now.
Yeah.
It's about 9 o'clock. It's pretty sunny right now. Half our team is at the Rocks right now, so I'm gonna get footage at CQB City. They're gonna get footage at the Rocks. So right now we're in Pittsburgh. We just loaded up the car, and we're about to be on our way to the CQB City. So see you guys later. All right, what's up, guys? Scott from Team Stag.
I'm Brandon from Team Stag.
All right, so we just got here at CQB City. It's about 10 o'clock, 10, something like that. So we left Pittsburgh as soon as we got onto the freeway. It started getting foggy. So right now it's really foggy and it's really wet. So hopefully it's still sunny at the Rocks, so my other teammates get some good footage. So we're getting ready. We're about to go in, and you're about to see some footage of us playing. So see you guys later.
Okay, what's up, guys? It's Scott from Team Stag. So we came in a little late for the first game, so we basically are starting the second game right now. So I'm about to get some footage for you guys, and I'll see you on the field.
I think it's still there. Brandon, is the bomb still in there? Brandon. Is the bomb still in there? Alright, just stay in that building, okay? Just protect it, alright? If you need help, just call me. Where's the window? Straight across. Got him, alright? I'm gonna go, alright? Someone cover me. I'm gonna move up. All right.
All right.
Hey, is there people in there? You think?
I don't know. That's why
I'm gonna frag it out. Can we use frags? All right. I got a frag.
Cover fire.
All right. I got you. Everybody just cover me. Ready?
Yep. The entrance is all the way in front.
All right. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Someone help me. Okay. All right. Oh, did it fall out? I'm gonna run in and grab the bomb.
Copy that.
Go. Got it. I'm gonna let go of my. Ready to cover?
Go ahead.
3, 2, 1, go.
Go, go.
Let's go. Help. No problem. I just fucking ran, grabbed the bomb. See? We're winning right now. Because of me. And my brother, Brandon.
You have to stay here. We're coming from the south.
He's been covering, keeping the bomb safe. Now we gotta wait 5 minutes for extraction. Oh, I'm dead tired. Go team, sir!